Hey there, Facebook users. Today, we're going to show you how to share your favorite apps and games with friends only on Facebook using your PC. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Facebook by accessing the website or launching the app. Step 2. Look for your profile photo in the top right corner and give it a click. Step 3. Click on your name to go to your profile page. Step 4. On your profile page, find and click on Check-ins. Step 5. Scroll down until you see the section titled Apps and Games. Click on the 3 dots icon next to it. Step 6. A menu will appear. Choose Edit Privacy to modify the privacy settings. Step 7. Locate the like button and click on it. Step 8. From the drop-down menu, select Friends to share your likes with only your friends. Step 9. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save. Step 10. Finally, click on Close to exit the Privacy Settings menu. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share your favorite apps and games with friends only on Facebook using your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy sharing!